Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss Cbse class 9 maths chapter 1 number system, the third question in exercise 1.4. So now let's look into the question, children. Recall, pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference C. So they are taking the circumference as C of a circle to its diameter. So we all know what is circumference. C is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so with that only they are going to take. So what is the diameter? Diameter D is nothing but 2r. So I can write this 2r into pi as D into pi. Isn't it, children? So C will be D into pi. So I can write pi is equal to what? C divided by D. This is what is given here. That is pi is equal to C by D. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. So we've learned that pi is irrational. We learned about the rational numbers and irrational numbers, and from that we concluded that pi is going to be an irrational number. But we have C by D here. C by D, we know it is of the form P by Q. So if it is of the form P by Q, we can say that it is also going to be a rational number. So if you are going to consider it to be rational, then we are going to get into a conclusion like pi is irrational and C by D is going to be rational. How will that happen? That will never happen. You cannot equate these both. Okay. So they are asking us to check if it is going to contradict. Okay. So this is what is our question. If it is going to contradict, we have to see if there is going to be any resolution for this. Now let us discuss about this C by D. As I told you, C by D, if you are going to consider the form P by Q also, we've even learnt that if there is going to be any arithmetic operation between a rational number and an irrational number, that means if you are going to add, subtract, multiply or divide a rational number with an irrational number, the answer will always be an irrational number. So what if C is going to be irrational and D is going to be rational? Then C by D will be what? Irrational only. Likewise, if C is rational and D is irrational, then again my C by D will be what? Irrational. So with this we can say that we can get C by D as irrational. So it will always be equal to pi, which is also going to be irrational number. So for this the answer is that there is no contradiction. What is the answer? The answer is there is no contradiction. Okay, there is no contradiction, as either C or D is irrational and hence pi is irrational. Is it clear, children? So this is because of this relationship. Okay, what we learned previously is because of this only. Okay, so please listen through the concepts again and again. We've already put several videos I've posted relating to these concepts, and we've explained the concepts in almost every sum which we have done. Okay, so please go through the concepts once again and try to understand if you have any doubt. This is a very simple question, children. Okay, so with this we are completing the third question. We have few more questions upcoming which we'll be seeing in the upcoming videos. See you again with the next question in the next video, children. Thank you, children.